Samsung is finally changing the design on Galaxy S26 Ultra. This time we got another look of it. By the way, S25 Ultra is on a discount which you can avail from a prior listed in this video. Samsung changed the design on S26 Ultra where they made a slightly rounded corners and the back cameras were changed. Now S26 Ultra is also going to see similar changes but with a different design. The new cases for the S26 Ultra is out where we can see a changed design. The camera island is thicker, or I should say twice the size of S25 Ultra, and this design is more like the Z Fold 7 camera design. The phone is actually getting thinner this time, which makes it even thicker camera bump. While the camera design is confirmed from these images, the corners are also going to change. It is more rounded compared to the S25 Ultra, and obviously a happy goodbye to the sharp corners that we saw on S24 Ultra. There's another interesting thing we can see on the S26 Ultra cases, the wireless charging indicator. Does this mean S26 Ultra is going to feature Qi 2 magnetic charging support next year? Now Google and Apple are already in the game. Samsung may add magnetic charging next year. By the way, S25 Ultra is on a discount which you can avail from prior listed in this video. The charging speed and battery size is also confirmed for the S26 Ultra. Now initially, there were some rumors who claimed Samsung is going to add a 60 watt of fast charging in S26 Ultra despite having the same battery. But all of the certification we saw for the S26 Ultra, every single one confirms there is no charging update on S26 Ultra. We will see the same 45 watt of fast charging, and even the competition is going too far with the charging numbers, yet Samsung is on the same page. Now let's see the camera changes on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is ready for big changes this year with the design of S26 Ultra. We're going back to older design, but in between these things, we just got more information about the cameras of S26 Ultra. Now iPhone 17 Pro Max just launched with some useful updates, quite honestly, but S26 Ultra is actually getting a downgrade in terms of cameras. Yes, a shocker for everyone, including me. According to Ice Universe, another news. I've been afraid to tell you, I'm worried that you are angry. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's new 3x sensor is actually degraded, with only 10 megapixel f2.4 1/3.941 micron pixels. It is smaller than the current S25 Ultra IMX754. Well, yes, he is right. This is the difference between S25 Ultra and S26 Ultra 3x telephoto sensor. It's smaller on S26 Ultra compared to S25 Ultra, and even more interesting thing, Samsung actually going to add S25 base model 3x telephoto sensor in S26 Ultra. I mean, is that real? I think maybe this information is not completely right, even though ICE gave accurate information, but I don't think Samsung will going to make such a big mistake with the S26 Ultra. There is another display look of S26 Ultra, and looking at it, seems like there is no progress on slimmer bezels, and side by side, you can actually need to focus to tell which one is which, as S26 Ultra is coming with slightly more rounded corners compared to the S25 Ultra. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.